Notepad looks simple, but there's a lot more you can do with it than just typing plain text. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Notepad, save and organize files, search and replace text, customize the app, and use some of its newer features. So let's get started. First, open Notepad by selecting Start and searching for Notepad. You can also use Windows Search to find it quickly. Once it opens, you'll see a simple workspace where you can start typing immediately. Now, type anything you want, such as a quick to-do list or a piece of text. You can select text, copy and paste it, and undo changes whenever you need to. Notepad also supports multiple levels of undo, which makes editing much easier. Need to find a specific word. Use the Find option and enter your search term. Notepad will locate matching text in your document. If you need to change repeated text, use Replace to find a word and substitute it with another one. Yeah, this can save a lot of time in longer notes. When you're finished, open the File menu and choose Save or Save As. Select a folder, give your file a name, and choose the appropriate file type if available. For a basic text document, TXT is the standard choice. Then select Save. If your version of Notepad supports tabs, you can keep multiple notes inside one window. Select the plus button to create another tab, then switch between documents from the tab bar. This is especially useful when you're working with several small text files. Next, check the Settings area. Depending on your Windows version, you can adjust options such as the app theme and font settings. Dark mode is especially useful if you prefer a darker workspace or work at night. Newer versions of Notepad may also include lightweight formatting, such as bold, italic text, links, headings, and lists. Some versions also include AI tools like Write, Rewrite, and Summarize. Just keep in mind that these newer features depend on your Windows version and rollout status, and that's the basics of using Notepad. For quick notes, text editing, simple lists, and lightweight documents, it's still one of the easiest tools in Windows. Once you get familiar with Find, Replace, tabs, and settings, you can work much faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.